This is Dubious Code with a tutorial on how to use Python dictionaries. So I have a basic Python entry routine here. Just the main function doesn't do anything yet. I can run it and just prints out code done. So let's say I want to use a dictionary. Dictionaries, of course, are really nice for a lot of things. 1 equals the curly braces start a dictionary. And after that, I can assign values to it using square braces. So I in range 10 dict I equals I times I. So let's say I want to get the squares out. This is going to make a dictionary of size 10. And then for, what is it? Key and dict, print. I actually kind of forgot how to enumerate through. This might work. This is definitely how you retrieve from the dictionary. This is definitely how you assign to a dictionary. I'm assigning value of I squared to the key of I. And is this how you retrieve? Is this how you loop through the dictionary? I'm not sure. Did not work. Or did we just not save it? The print function's wrong. I need to put it in braces. How to loop through the dictionary? Good question. What I want is in one.keys. Interestingly, that this got assigned in ascending order because the dictionary should hash. If I did it in reverse sort, it's not going to be. Let's see what that happens. Interesting that it's coming out in the order that it got put in. I would have thought that the dictionary was hashing. Let's make a loop. Let's make something else. Keys A, B, C. Of course, we don't have to assign it with numeric values, so we'll pay for key and keys. Keys equals key times 2. Now I'm interested to see if it's going to be A, B, B, C, C, D, D. Dict sub key. It's funny to me that it's retrieving in the exact same order it got put in. I'm not quite sure why that happened. Of course, it doesn't have to be keys. It could be in items. Then it would be, I think, key value, print value. Items would return the key and the value. Or it could just be values. How I expect dictionaries to work is that as a dictionary, as it grows, is going to rehash. As a dictionary, as you allocate more things to it, it's going to rehash the values. And so they're going to get put in a random order. Let's try that again. With a bigger set. dict1 sub key. Still setting order. This is unexpected behavior to me. I guess it's something I need to learn here. But this is dictionaries. We start with a curly braces. We could have a starting value, like they could have a we could allocate some things to begin with, like x gets value 10. Colon, x gets value 10. And of course, x pulled up first. This is how you retrieve from it. We can delete from it. How are we deleting from it? It would be del dict1 sub key. If we want to delete all the values, and now we print dict1 There's a dictionary for key and dict1.keys. What is that? What error is that? Dictionary change size during iteration. Oh, I can't loop through and do that. Well, I can delete a specific one. I can delete, say, 5, 6, 7. And of course, we can see that they're missing. Dictionaries, some of the most useful things in Python. I used to be really good at them, but it looks like I have a little bit left to relearn. This is Dubious Code. Thanks for watching.